Deniz and the golden apricots of Malatya. Deniz loved maps, but she loved snacks even more. Today, she was flying high above Turkey to visit a special place known as the capital of apricots, Malatya. She heard the sun there shone so brightly, it turned the fruit golden and sweet. Her Uncle Khan met her at the airport. "Welcome, traveler," he boomed. "Malatya is ready for you. We have history, mountains, and so many things to see. Look, the city is surrounded by ancient rolling hills." Their first stop was a giant dusty hill called Arslantepe Mound. Uncle Khan explained, "This is older than almost anything. People lived here thousands of years ago. We can still see the royal tombs and the magnificent artifacts they left behind. Arslantepe is now a UNESCO World Heritage Site." Next, they drove to Battalgazi, also known as Old Malatya. "See these thick stone walls?" Khan asked. "They protected the city centuries ago. Walking here feels like stepping right into a history book where heroes once rode on horseback." All that exploring made Deniz hungry. They stopped at a local market. "The best thing to do here is eat." Uncle Khan grinned, handing her a freshly prepared plate of local treats. "This is kayisi tatlisi, stuffed apricot dessert. Malatya makes 80% of the world's dried apricots." After lunch, they headed out of the city toward a place of wild beauty, Toma Canyon. The air grew cooler, and massive rocky cliffs rose on either side of the road. "This is where the rivers cut through the rock," Khan murmured. "A perfect spot for a hike." To truly experience the canyon, they rented a small boat. Deniz felt tiny, surrounded by the towering rock faces. "We can even go hiking on paths up high," Khan said. "The views from the top are spectacular, a true natural masterpiece of Malatya." As the sun began to set, painting the sky in fiery orange and pink, they admired the peaceful landscape. Deniz realized that every picture she'd seen of Malatya couldn't truly capture the warm feeling of being there. The people were as welcoming as the sun was bright. "So what did you learn, expert traveler?" Uncle Khan asked on their last morning. Deniz ticked off the facts on her fingers. Apricot capital, ancient history at Arslantepe, big walls at Battalgazi, and amazing hiking and boating in the canyons. The visuals were so much better than a postcard. Malatya was more than just a place on a map. It was a memory filled with sunshine, history, and the sweet taste of apricots. Deniz waved goodbye, already planning her next trip to explore the rest of Turkey's hidden gems.